Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. The other day I made a video about the parallel dimension tool, and if you take this measurement right here, I thought I just recently changed that to a larger font, but you can click on your text and make it 100 points or whatever point you want. But if you stretch this box out, it doesn't change. So that measurement's not correctly. But if you have the parallel dimension tool selected, right here is a box, and it's the dynamic. And I'm thinking there's another way to turn it on because you can't tell if it's on or off. Now, if we move the box, you can see it changes to the right measurement. So with the parallel dimension tool selected, I don't know why Corel does that, but I guess you could check that and have it always on. Let's see if that works. Yep. So you can have that always on or always off. Let's just draw another box and see what happens. Make sure it works. So maybe it's something you can set it by setting a default. So let's measure, and I didn't have to make a box like this, but we'll measure this right here and here. And we're going to go over this real quick. I can't stand, I thought I had this changed. So with your text tool, before you pick anything, if you go right here and go 100 points and go dimension and then say OK, when you draw with your parallel dimension tool now, it should be 100 points. And there it is. Now let's stretch this. Whoop. You got to stretch it, not move it. See, it's working. So evidently, maybe, let's try this again. Maybe with nothing selected, if you'll hit that and hit dimension. Now, did I turn it off? Is the question. And no, I did not. So the key is with nothing selected, but with your parallel dimension tool, this will come up and you can highlight the dimension and say, okay, this is really important. You know, we've got 2.68, but this box is 11 total, 11.56. Well, with our ratio lock, let's say I want the box to be 12 inches across. Now watch the 2.68 change to 2.79. That's to me a game changer in help because I couldn't really I never really understood it. I think at one time I did, but I guess I'd forgotten about that box right there. Anyway, hope that helped somebody, and thank you for watching.